Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook pixel. So what is needed for you to set up the pixel? You need a website, a Facebook page, and Google Tag Manager. So if you don't have a website, you don't need to watch this video because you must have a website to set up a Facebook pixel for your business. The other thing you need is a Facebook page. So if you don't have one, create your own Facebook page. The other thing you need is a Google Tag Manager, and I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Tag Manager. So I'll be using Dr. Sylvester Odanga's Facebook page to set up a Facebook pixel because he has a website. This is his website that I'm working on. Now, if you don't have a page on Facebook, go on your left-hand side. You will see pages, and you will be able to set up your page. If you already have a Facebook page, go to your profile icon, and click switch, and you will be able to switch to your Facebook page. Now make sure you are on your page. So by clicking on your page name, you will be able to now view your Facebook page. So we are going to click on Dr. Sylvester Odanga's name so that we can be able now to access his page. If you click on that menu, you will hide everything that's on the menu. If you click on this icon, you will be able to hide the menu. If you click it again, you will be able to show what's in the menu. Now you can see you have Meta Business Suite. Click on Meta Business Suite. And on Meta Business Suite, go to All Tools. And on All Tools, you will be able to see Event Manager. So at Events Manager, you will be requested to switch your account to where your business is managed, so your personal profile is where your Facebook events is. So but you still have to follow this strategy. So you're going to come here at All Tools, and then you're going to look for Events Manager, and you're going to see Events Manager here. So if you don't see anything, the way I'm seeing nothing, come here to Data Sources. And on Data Sources, you will be able to see Continue Pixel Setup. Okay, you will be able to see Continue Pixel Setup. Now, if you are brand new to Facebook Pixel, it will bring you website. It will bring you a part where you will be able to choose if you want conversion or pixel, and you will just choose pixel. And then you will be able to see the code itself. You will copy paste the code. So let's click here and say continue to continue pixel setup, and we will install the code manually. So the code is here. So if we were to copy the code and paste it here, you will see this is Dr. Sylvester Odanga's Facebook pixel. So this is the most important number that we will be dealing with. Now that we have the pixel code, let's now go back to Google and look for something called Google Tag Manager. So we will look for Google Tag Manager. So create an account by signing in or signing up with Google Tag Manager. So please note that for you to set up a Google Tag Manager, you need to have a Gmail account. So let's come here and create the Google Tag Manager and put the name as Dr. Sylvester. So I'm going to go back here and copy everything. And then I'm going to say his country is Kenya. Sorry for that, Kenya. I will say share data anonymously. I will put his website. You can see they want the www dot. And then I'm going to say web. Then I'm going to say create. But then I'm going to come back here and separate everything. And then I'm going to create. Then I'm going to say accept data processing terms. Then I'm going to say yes. Now you can see that I have been able to set up the Google Tag Manager, and I have been given this code to paste on my website. So I'm going to go back and log into Dr. Sylvester's Odanga website, and then I'm going to show you how to paste this code in his website. Terry is using a WordPress website, and now we are going to go to plugins. And we are going to click add new, and we are going to install a plugin that's for Google Tag Manager, and it will help us install the code that I just showed you. You see this GTM4WP? That is the one we are going to install and then activate it so that we can paste the code. Activate. And then come and look for it here on the left. But you can see it here. So let's look for it here. Let's refresh. So now we are going to come on the left-hand side, and then we are going to go to settings, and you will be able to see Google Tag Manager. We're going to go to settings, and you're going to see Google Tag Manager. Click on Google Tag Manager, and this is where you're going to tag the Google Tag Manager ID. Now let's go back to our Google Tag Manager, and this is the ID that we are going to copy. That one. And we are going to paste it on the Google Tag Manager. So we are going to save changes. We are going to save changes, and that way we now have the Google Tag Manager installed to the website. Okay, the only code that we will install in the website is the Google Tag Manager and nothing else. And now it's already saved. Now the next thing that we are going to do is close this tab and work on Google Tag Manager alone. And this is where we are going to install the Facebook pixel. So we are now going to come to tags. Every code you install in the Google Tag Manager is called a tag. And now we are going to create a new tag, and this is called Facebook pixel all page view. Okay, this way we are going to be able to know everyone. We are going to be able to track everyone who visited your website. So we are going to come and say, we are going to write the name, Facebook pixel, all page views, and then we are going to do tag configuration, and then we are going to discover more tags. We are going to discover more tags, and then we are going to write Facebook. And then we are going to search for Facebook. Then we will see the Facebook pixel. Click on the Facebook pixel, and then we are going to say add workspace, and then add. Now you have added your Facebook pixel. Remember I told you about this code? Remember this code? Come and copy it, the code for Facebook pixel. Come and copy the code, and then come and paste it here. The standard is page view. There are other things you can track. You can track add payment information, add to cart, but in this case we are going to track page views. Then we are going to say the trigger is going to be all pages, and then we are going to save. And when we save, we are going to submit the tag and publish the tag. And you have your Facebook pixel installed to your website. If you would like to know whether your Facebook pixel has been installed to your website, please install this Chrome extension. So the Chrome extension is this one. It's called the Meta Pixel Helper. So let's log out of this website. Now you're going to see the Meta Pixel Helper. You can see it's not loading, so please give it time. To check if you have installed your Google Tag Manager successfully, please install this Chrome extension. It's called the Google Tag Assist Legacy. After you install it, you're going to enable it after you have gone to the website you want to test if the Google Tag Manager has been installed, and then you're going to refresh. If it doesn't show up, just give it an hour. It will start showing the Google Tag Manager. It will start showing the Facebook pixel. Now let me show you how it will look like when it's successfully installed. So you see, it's going to show the Meta Pixel is installed, and it's able to track data, that is how many people are viewing the page. So you can see page views. Now, if you want to look whether the Google Tag Manager has been installed, just enable and then refresh the page, and you will be able to see that the Google Tag Manager is installed. So guys, that brings us to the end of our tutorial. Make sure you install your Facebook pixel on your website so that you can measure the number of people who are visiting your website. See you in our next class, where I will show you how to use your Facebook pixel to track add to cart, wish list, and many others.